What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can enable game sharing on the PlayStation 5. As you can see there, I've got the Spider-Man Miles Morales, but if you look, it's got a padlock on there. And when I want to select it and play it, as you can see, you get a warning say you cannot use this content, you have to purchase it, but it's already installed using another user. So I'll show you how you can enable that and share it with all the different accounts logged in on this PlayStation. So first you need to log in on the user who's already have the PlayStation installed. So I'm just gonna go on there and then switch user. Now I need to log in, select the user who has the game installed, who initially purchased the game. Here when I go see on this one, I'm able to play it. So this is the user who installed the game. So I'll have to go onto the settings. So go onto users and accounts. And then go to others, and then console sharing and offline play, select that, and then enable that and press X to enable, and then you've enabled the game sharing. And then when you do OK, and then go back. And then now if I switch user and then log in as someone else, and now as you can see there, the game is no longer got a padlock and can be played with any users. That's how you can enable game sharing on the PlayStation 5. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.